welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys on how I do apply my lipstick. Yes, I'm about to go out. Yes, so I decided to show you guys what I use on my lips. A lot of you guys have been asking me what am I using, but today I'm going to reveal to you the product I use. I'm going to show you guys step by step on what I do, but I'm going to make it simple and short. Yeah, I like looking simple. Yes, so I don't have much, but it's just these three things. These are the three makeup products I'm going to use on my lips. Yes, just watch to the end. So secondly, I'm going to be applying the lipstick. I'm done with the lip liner, as you can see it. So I'm going to use this on my lips. A little amount of it, that's what I'm going to take from this. I'm going to apply my lipstick